That's for the video and here success. So this video is for those of us who has their voter ID card. So just in case you have yours, yes, you need to check to see whether the data that you have is the same as what the Electoral Commission has. Okay, no conflicting. Just check to see data are correct both sides. You are going to dial a code, so enter the code on a SIM card registered with Momo. Otherwise, it will not work because there is going to be a 50% deduction. And I don't know why that 50% is there, but Ghana we day. So you'll be paying 50% for checking your details with the Electoral Commission. Okay, so just in case after checking, and then you notice any changes, mistakes on your voter ID card, you are to report to your polling station within the time frame. That's 20th August to 27th August 2024. You need to go and check and then report to them. They will help you out and then make changes. Whether it is your name, whether it is your date of birth, whether it is your sex, and even if your picture you want to change it as well, yes, on that very day you can just go there and then change it. They will start work from 7 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. So yes, within the time frame which is 20th August to 27th, go there and then make changes to your details. And please make sure you pay much attention to your details because mostly those of you who are called Kwame, you see the ME, I mean the last two words, we have the ME and then we have the MI. So just pay attention to see which one yours is so that you can correct it or leave it just in case it is correct. Those of you who are miss, like were miss and now misses, and then you want a change on your ID card, okay, yes, you will need to provide a gazette for that one before those things will be changed. So in all, we are going to check to see whether there is a mistake, and if there is any mistake, we will report to our polling station on 20th to 27th August 2024. Let's start with this and let me show you how it is done. But just in case you are new, subscribe. And I know you have liked already, so let's start with this and let's dive in. So just enter the code in your dialer and then call the code. And then you enter your 10-digit voter card ID number. Okay, so the number on your ID card, the 10 digits, just enter it right here. After that, a name will pop up and then they will charge you 50% for checking your details. 50%. Easy. Okay, then you go to want to confirm it. So after confirming, you will see a prompt on your phone and then you will enter your Momo PIN. So you can also let someone check for you just in case you don't have the Momo or the Telecel cash. Okay, yes. Then you approve the transaction from there after entering your Momo PIN. Okay, so you make payments, you wait for like mostly a minute and then you receive your details. Then you check through your details, your name, date of birth, your polling station, any details that is on your voter card will be displayed right here. Then if in case there is any mistake, just go or visit the polling station, your polling station, visit there on 20th August to 27th August.